Greetings of the day. Welcome to Samsad International School Holamavu Newsroom. Let's begin our day with a wonderful thought. Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible.
Wisdom comes not from age, but from education and learning. Our education system, which is one of the oldest in the world, has recently come under the radar about its effectiveness to cater to the 21st century student. Education leaders across the country have expressed their share of opinion regarding the reformation like every other professional in the world. Teachers also need upskilling because every profession changes or undergoes modifications for the betterment of itself. A teacher training program is a program that equips teachers with techniques and modern pedagogies, strategies that help them to better connect with, manage, and teach to their students in a manner which ensures that all students are learning and benefiting. This common practice here at Samsad International School, Bengaluru. Annual training sessions are organized for teachers of pre-primary, primary, and high school across the branches in the city. This year, the training sessions were organized from 15th May to 21st May. The training ranged from Introduction to National Education Policy, LMS Competency Framework, Enrichment, Micro-planning, Communication with Parents, HR Training, Digital Library, Preparation of Digital Boards, and other cumulative topics necessary for holistic developments of the students. Training teachers is necessary in the 21st century as students of today cannot be taught with methods of yesterday. Each student is unique in myriad ways, including in the way they think, analyze, understand, and go about academics. Training teachers to know how to cater to the various learning styles will positively impact hundreds and thousands of students. Thus, it ensures to bring a reformative change in the life of students as well as the teachers.
The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Summer vacations are a cherished time for students. It marks a period of relaxation, exploration, and personal growth. The end of summer means the beginning of a new academic year. On our first day, we were greeted with broad smiles, spirited faces, colorful displays, and handmade bookmarks. Our teachers opened their stationery pouches and their scissors sliced through papers, bringing life back to blank books. This simple yet thoughtful gesture aimed to ease out all complex feelings and to amplify positive feelings like warmth and enthusiasm. The bookmarks presented to us represent a time capsule. By the end of this academic year, they would be a reminder of how we started, how far we've come, and how much we've grown.
The reopening of school marks a new beginning, a fresh chapter filled with opportunities for growth and learning. The lazy days of summers are over, replaced by a familiar buzz of excitement and the school gates swung open wide, welcoming students of grade 8, 9 and 10 after the vacations on 22nd May 2024. The classrooms now resonate with the familiar hum of lessons resuming, the playgrounds echo with laughter, and the hall buzz with the energy of young minds eager to explore and discover. Teachers refreshed, prepared, and greeted their students with warm smiles and encouraging words, eager to embark on a new academic journey together. The teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, and touches a heart. With this thought, students also share thrilling experience about their exciting summer vacations with teachers and peers, which strengthen their emotional bond. So as the school bell rings, signaling the start of a new academic year, let us embrace the excitement and challenges that lie ahead. Let us learn, grow, and create lasting memories together within the walls of this vibrant institution that we call our school.
In this way, Samsad strives to give the best for all of its students and prepares them well for the academic year. Goodbye until we meet next time with some exciting updates. Stay tuned.